Honestly, I feel the same way. It's gonna be a Hobibear summer. See, I got these about 2 months ago, and I absolutely freaking love them. So much that I got my second pair. Not just because they have the wide toe box and your feet can spread out like everyone's showing you here in all the videos, but because the material here is super breathable. It almost feels like a sock when you're wearing it. And the breathability is not just in the toes, but it's basically the whole shoe, except this little protection here on the heel, and then you've also obviously got the sole. It's not a breathable sole. My feet normally get sweaty as hell, but I haven't when I wear these. The only complaint, I don't even know if you could call it that, is everybody loves the no-rise heel, right? That's not my complaint. But basically, these I would not run in. I went to Dallas about a month ago and I had to run to catch a train, and I was sorry that I was wearing these. That's the only situation where I would not wear this particular shoe. My shins were burning. But for just hanging out and walking around, honestly, I'm probably gonna pick up 3 or 4 more pair. Like they're cheap enough. You can pick them right up here in the TikTok shop.